Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel by Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last video, we have covered time format where you have seen how you can correct your time format. And that video, if you haven't watched, the link has been given above. You can check out that video. And in this video, we are going to cover how you can use XLOOKUP plus filter to get the multiple results. For an example, here we do have the data from the previous video, and in this table we are going to take the reference of a value where we are going to find out this government values with this profit. So now we do have this government where we have taken, and now if we will use this X lookup here and lookup value, we are going to tag this one and lookup array. Lookup array would be somewhere where we can find out this government value. So we are going to select this entire column, and here we are going to take a return array. As you can see, it is highlighting. You have to take a return array. So return array is nothing but just answer the value which you are looking for. So basically I'm going to take this profit column. From here I would like to take a value, and now if I'll close, now I'll take if not found what you'd like to give. So I would like to give a blank, an exact match, that is 0, and now enter. So now this value is showing 1685. So if you will check here, so let's see, if you will check here, it will show 16140. This is not a unique value, guys. There are multiple values for government, so that's the reason it is showing that value. But anyways, if you want to see any specific value, so we do have the specific table column, and from here we will remove the duplicates. Simple, we will come here, and from here we will select and we will take segment and will remove. So now that this data has been sorted, the old duplicate value are gone. So now again we'll go to the topic, and instead of this data sheet we will go to this table, and we will select this column, and then we want a result from this gross sales. I'll select this one. Now here, as you can see, it is asking if not found then what. So if it has not found something which we are looking for, then it should be blank, and we are checking out for exact match, that is 0. We are giving it here. So now you can see the value which we got here, that is this 3200 370. So simply if you will check, so yes, we do have this value. But now we want a multiple columns value. So how we can take it? So let me tell you again just how filter function work, or we have covered this filter function. So simply the video link has been given above. You can check out the video before proceed so that you can understand how this filter function work. So now let me take instead of this table, this return array, I will take filter, and then I will go to this table 3, and from here I'll select till here. Okay, so now again I have to give array, because in the filter array will work. So 1 1 1, so 3 columns we have selected, and if we will enter now, so our value will be reflect. So as you can see, it's showing Canada and this value, So this is the sales price and the gross sales is showing 32370. Okay. So for any specific values from any columns, if you would like to have, you can use the filter function. And again, if you want to transpose this, for example, we want this value horizontally, then you can use this transpose function and you can close the bracket. So now as you can see here, my values are showing vertically. So now you can use this to this here. Just again we'll go to the spatial, paste spatial, and we will take this transpose. So now we do have this value here. And now if we will change this value to any this values, for example channel partners, I'll change here. So all value will get changed. So likewise for this huge data, if you want values from the multiple columns, so you can use this XLOOKUP in this way. So I hope this formula is clear to you. And still if you have any doubt, if you want to ask something, so simply you can write your questions, your query on comment section, or you can reach out on us, our official mail ID. Stay tuned with Byte Boost. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.